Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. Today, we're going to show you how to restore a MySQL HeatWave backup. Log into Oracle Cloud and then click that hamburger menu. In the search bar, start typing MySQL, and then choose DB Systems MySQL HeatWave. When the list of DB systems appears, choose the system that has the backup you want to restore. Here, we're going to use MySQL_Shorts. On the DB System Details page, scroll down until we see the Backups link in the left sidebar. Once you find it, go ahead and give it a click. This list will contain automatic and manual backups. If you look here, you can see the backup we did in episode 54. Click the link for the backup you want to restore. That'll bring us to the Backup Details page. Now, click the Restore to New DB System button. In the form that pops up, make sure Restore from Backup is selected. Scroll down to the Provide DB System Information section and give the new instance a name. Here, we call it MySQL Shorts Restore. For the rest of the form, we're just going to keep the defaults. This way, our new instance matches the same configuration as the old instance. This includes networking, availability domain, instance shape, even our backup configuration. To start the restore process, go ahead and click the Restore button, but you probably figured that out already. It'll take a few minutes for the restore process to complete. When it does, this is what the screen will look like. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.